Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and before we'll proceed with the next step, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So here in the settings we can scroll and find the system and then tap on backup. So here simply tap on turn on, and we will be immediately transferred to the section where we can sign in. So just tap on next and tap on add account. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. So right here we need to enter the password, so simply do it and tap on next. Here you need to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. So now let's simply tap on your account, and now you can choose what kind of data you'd like to back up. So photos and videos or other device data, it's up to you. I'll pick this one and tap on confirm. So as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account here, and you can simply tap on the section that you would like to back up. And here you can check more information, for example, how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage right here. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Here you've got the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional charges. Alright, so to finish everything, simply tap on backup now here, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.